In uncertain times, America needs more than politicians. We need leaders, forged in faith, grounded in service, and driven by results. Meet Lou Marion, Christian, conservative, constitutionalist. As president of the Orange County FRA, Lou built the largest chapter in Florida history, 565 members in just 90 days. As executive vice president of the FRA and training officer for the National Federation of Republican Assemblies, Lou didn't just talk about leadership, he built it, installing 13 chapters across Florida and helping launch assemblies in Louisiana, Wisconsin, and Puerto Rico. He's trained nearly 100 candidates through his candidate leadership manual. He authored and helped pass 16 powerful resolutions defending faith, life, and freedom, shaping the very platform that defines Florida conservative today. Chaired the 2023 NFRA National Convention and co-chaired the 2025 FRA State Convention. He was appointed as Vice President National Training Officer at 2025 National Federation of Republican Assemblies Convention. A 22-year Navy chief and Gulf War veteran, Lou understands discipline, integrity, and sacrifice. He's fought for his country, and now he is fighting for the heart of Florida Republican Assembly. Lou stood up when it mattered most, fighting to keep Donald J. Trump on the ballot and holding Governor DeSantis accountable to the people of Florida. Because real leadership doesn't follow polls, it follows principle. My vision is simple. We hold the GOP accountable. We raise up bold Judeo-Christian leaders. We grow this movement, one county, one chapter, one patriot at a time, until the FRA stands strong in every state and all the way to Washington, D.C. Proven leadership, unshakable integrity, real results. Vote Lou Marion for FRA State President on December 3rd, 2025. Approved and paid for by Lou Marion for FRA President.